1990 Fleer Wax Pack. Continuing with Wax Pack Wednesday, and this was Fleer's 10th anniversary. Let's see what we can get in this. I remember when this set came out. Got our sticker of the Kansas City Royals. We've got Tracy Jones, Benito Santiago, our prospects, Mike Hartley, Bobby Rose, Randy Reddy, Jack Doherty, Spike Owen, Willie Wilson, Carlos Martinez, Pat Sheridan, Kurt Wilkerson, Chuck Finley, Tony Fernandez, Felix Jose, Kurt Ford, John Soretti, and finally Jose Lind. All right, 1990 Fleer Wax Pack. Thanks for watching.